What's up, everybody? Dan trying back another video. Got two cars out here, you know what I'm saying? So I was going to do that Rev Battle. Today's the day. I'll find a nice open parking lot. There's a car over there, but I don't know what that guy's doing, so doing some kind of business. Anyways, yeah, we're going to rev these two cars and, you know, see what you guys think. Tell me which one sounds better, which one sounds louder. I already got my opinions, but yeah. We got my 05 300C 5.7 HEMI. Shut up. 5.7 HEMI. You know, what am I saying? I'll pull up the hood. You know, you guys already know what's in there. But for those of you who don't know, this is a naturally aspirated V8. So, I mean, you guys probably know what the HEMI is. So, well, yeah, it's pretty much stock. As you can see, the only thing I've done is Muffler and Resonators delayed, so it's pretty much straight pipe. I mean, I still got the cats on there, so it still has cats, and it's pretty much straight pipe from there, nothing else. And then on the other hand, we got my 05 Cadillac STS V8 NorthStar. Shut up. I'll pop the hood for it. So this is a NorthStar V8. It's the exhaust setup is similar on both cars. So this one still has the cats, but it's pretty much straight pipe from there. So there it is. The engine bay is dirty as hell, so that's fine. That's the guy. I'm going to clean it. So I mean, both cars are dirty, but that's beside the points. Well, anyways, here you got a dual overhead cam V8s, more of a modern, complicated design. Whereas here you got a push rod, old school style design. But anyways, I don't want to talk too much. I'm going to start ripping. I'm going to do a startup first. Of boats, and then do a couple revs, and then, you know, you guys tell me what you think. All right, let's get it set up. I'm gonna put the camera over there, back it up so you guys can hear it. We'll see. Y'all heard it. I'm gonna obviously edit it so you guys know exactly which one was revving at the time. I don't want. I kind of want to keep going, but like, you know, I don't want to call the cops on us. So we'll see if I can find. I'll see if I can find another location and do some more revs. But anyways, tell me what you guys think. Cadillac is definitely louder though, for sure. Cadillac is definitely louder for sure. Like, it makes my car feel. And I said this when I did my straight pipe video. It made my car sounds quiet, and like, for real, once you revs it, I can barely even hear my car running. Which one sounds good? I don't know. I think it's kind of tough, you know. The obviously it's a lot different if you're in person compared to here on camera, but the HEMI, the 300, to me it sounds more like an older car, like it's more like a deep sound. Whereas the Cadillac reminds me of like a Mustang 5.0. You know, it has that like sharp noise, so like it sounds like almost raspy, but like not too much. So I don't know, man. I think the Caddy might sound good, but then again, I don't know. I don't want to piss anybody off. Just let me know what you think. Oh, and also one more thing I forgot to mention: the Cadillac does have a true dual exhaust, and basically what that means is it's cats, so it has cats on both banks, and it's literally 2 pipes straight back. So there's no X pipe, there's no H pipe, nothing. There's no crossover pipe. It's just 2 straight pipes to the back, which I think definitely is gonna make it louder if you do that. If you go search, if you put on an X pipe or something, it's definitely gonna quiet it down a little bit, because the 300 does have a factory X pipe, which is still on there, whereas that one doesn't. So I think that's also another factor as to why the Cadillac is as loud as it is. But anyways, I'm gonna see if I can get on the highway and get some videos and stuff, man. So anyway, stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. We're not done yet. Shut up. Anyways, we can't really find any highway. Everything's kind of busy right now, so I'm just gonna have her do a little pull in 300. I haven't really heard this car from outside, and then we'll do one more in the man, I'm telling you, it looks good though. All right. Sheesh. I get bunny robot. What the fuck? God damn it, man. Yeah, that shit is definitely loud for sure though. But this guy, I don't know if you can tell in the videos, but the Cadillac is definitely way louder. Do one more. Alright. Yeah, it's definitely loud for sure. God damn it, how you burning on my? I don't got no more tread on that thing. She's having too much fun now. Let's slow her down now. Alright. I don't got no more tread. Why are you wasting my tires? Look what you did.
What?
I'm just fucking with you. Let me get one more rev. Oh shit, she already shut it off. Another one, this time in the Caddy. This thing is stupid loud, man. I know it's gonna blow my fucking ears up. Goddamn, you trying to run me over? Alright. Let's hear it. I'm gonna sit my ass down. Alright, we gotta go. I am fucking done. I'm done. I am done. They're about to call the police right now. Yeah, that shit is echoing everywhere. Hey, we're done. We're done. Man, we gotta leave. The Cadillac is definitely louder for sure. But anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. We gotta go, man. Someone's about to call the police. So, anyways, man, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we're definitely gonna be racing both cars for sure. I mean, obviously, you know, I got it. So yeah, Cadillac might have the sound, but does it have the power to back it up?
Yes.
We're gonna find out. Man. Anyways, I gotta go. Catch you on next one, man. Dan 200, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. See y'all. I'm out.